Synocell. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. And in this video, I'm going to show you the official review about the Synocell. There is a eliminator, there is a gel, there is something that I will give you a review about in this video. This website is poorly designed and it does not contain elements in the main data. As a result, it loses credibility and shows that its quality is questionable and momentarily. Let's get deeper into this review and show you the details. Domain is only 2 years old. Organization is this. Owner is reacted for privacy, and we cannot see that. The country is mentioned, country code, email, and all the contact details also. The scam detector website validator gives Sinosol.com a medium trust score on the platform that is 58.1. It signals that business can be best defined by the following tags as an active medium risk. We are confident about our score and we don't partner with any other high-tech fraud prevention companies. So, why the score is low? The algorithm detected high risk activity related to the phishing, spamming, and other factors noted in the active medium risk. Long story or short story, we still see some red flags with website. We have displayed some important information within the company details section above, each deserving more explanation. First is the proximity to suspicious website, threat profile, phishing profile, malware score, spam score, domain blacklist status, HTTPS connection, and the domain creation date. While some are self-explanatory concerning Synocell, let's dive deeper into the remaining ones. This metric gauges the connection scored on the scale 1 out of 10 between Synocell and website marked as suspicious. Elevated scores point to a stronger link with these questionable online destinations. I will suggest you to go through a official website and any other medical practitioner. You should always ask to your doctor, your medical practitioner, before using any type of health supplement or any type of substance that will related to your health, your skin, your body. Please watch it accordingly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.